Wagwan people, you know what time it is. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, yeah? Yeah.
No, it's a clap for Ringo Vision, you know, because you know what? Cool. See the last episodes then?
Yeah.
Mad thing.
Respect.
Ringo Vision, big up yourself, bro.
Yeah, respect.
It's mad. It's mad. Man had to forward again.
Yeah.
But we're in the Cooking Vibe Kitchen on Ringo Vision TV.
Cooler, man. Mad.
That's how they know one connection.
One connection.
Yeah.
People, look what I go on today. It's a simple thing, people, yeah? I'm going to be doing some fried pumpkin and some fried chicken.
Fried pumpkin?
Yeah, man, fried pumpkin.
I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it in my life.
May I start? May not even that itch.
Right. So just cutting out the pumpkin.
I'm just going to... Yeah. I don't need nothing, no?
Don't worry about that. I got my grandma in the picture there, people. Yeah.
Look here.
Oh, that's how you're dealing with it.
That's it.
So you're frying that.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Mad. And what you say? And what else are you doing with it?
I'm gonna slice it. Look.
Okay. If we was there, forget the camera and I'll keep on that one day. That's how you deal with it.
Yeah.
Like a fried breadfruit.
You like a fried breadfruit, but just a fried pumpkin.
Wow.
So I'm just gonna do with a quick couple slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, and I ate that.
Okay. Big up yourself, Ringo, you know, fam.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
Respect them, that man. It's a quick thing, man. It's not even a long thing. It's just a quick thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ringo Vision TV. Big up everyone, man. Happy Halloween, people. You get me? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Ringo Vision TV, we're there. So what is this now?
So we just strand some scallion.
Right.
Because we'll use some scallion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, Wooi Oiii, Ringo Vision TV. We're there, man. Cooking Vibe Kitchen. You know, see where we're there, people.
Big up yourself, M. Yeah? Yeah, man, I'm in the Cooking Vibes Kitchen. People, it's a simple one today, people, yeah? Alright. I've sliced and washed and cut my pumpkin and everything, yeah? Right. I'm gonna do a simple thing today, M. Yeah? I'm just gonna quickly just fry up my pumpkin then.
Okay.
That's it. And
Okay.
I've got some chicken here, yeah?
Right.
Alright. I put my all-purpose and whatnot I need to put on there.
See this?
People, yeah?
You see this? Bella pepper. Big up yourself. He ain't got the right logo yet because this is Chipotle, but he does a Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet one is 1010. This Chipotle, you're gonna taste it. This is 1010, Ringo. The smokiness in that sauce is amazing. Ringo Vision TV with Daya, man. Know you mean?
Alright, so quick things, people, yeah?
Mix and blend.
Mix and blend.
When I'm gonna mix and blend.
I'm just gonna fry them up, you know?
Okay. So it's a fried chicken, fried pumpkin.
Yep.
Mad. Halloween.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people. Yeah, man. End up respect for having me in the kitchen again.
I mean.
Yeah, man. It's a very...
Are you a kitchener?
Yeah. A full kitchen.
I feel a kitchener.
A full kitchen.
I feel a kitchen, man. I mean, look.
Yeah, man.
Cooking Vibe.
Can't move. Wooi Oiii.
Yeah, no, it's a little bit. You know what it is? It's the lighting here, and I am sorry about this, people. And I'm gonna try and edit out the lighting as much as possible. But the lighting in this here, we need to sort out the lighting. But you know, some more time we're outside and a Halloween thing. You see? Yeah, little decoration and things for Ringo TV. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Not a long thing, you know, because me just slice the chicken fine. Yeah. You take long to fry. Because some fried chicken, yeah, man, and some pumpkin, because you know, say, with them say Halloween.
Yeah.
So this is go on with the vibe.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
It makes sense. You see the steamer stick, cook and vibe. But big up Ringo TV. Make sure you go check my channel out, man. Come on, man. You know the thing, people. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Ringo Vision TV.
Yeah, I just couple piece of chicken, people.
Yeah. Wooi Oiii. What do you say? Extra chipotle.
Extra chipotle.
Bro, when you taste
because
that,
the flaming hot chicken, yeah, we're dealing with now.
Okay.
Flaming hot thing.
Halloween style.
Halloween style.
Dark and serious.
Holy!
Holy mud!
Hot thing. It's a quick thing. It's a shoelace thing.
Alright.
Tie up a place. Lock up a place.
Yeah, do you know what? I don't know. I just went on the floor. It's bare pumpkin seeds. Wooi Oiii! You ever seen pumpkin fry before? Ringo Vision TV. You know, remember where you see it first?
Yeah, quickly.
So how long you got to fry these for?
Couple minutes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just a couple minutes each side.
Yeah, quickly.
Okay. See the pumpkin I fry? My thing! And it's gonna have that flavour from the chicken, because the chicken's been in there as well.
Yeah, chicken added that
Ooh.
Yeah, so end up pumpkin done fry already, yeah?
It looks really nice.
Yeah? Alright.
It looks kind of like planting.
Alright, people. That's the pumpkin there.
That.
And look, we've got our chicken that's already ready, yeah? Last but not least, yeah? So, alright. Cool. We can cut that.
Wooi Oiii!
Wooi Oiii. Alright, end up quick thing, yeah? Pan fry quickly, yeah?
Alright. What is it? Garnish. You always do garnish, innit?
Yeah, garnish.
Yeah, I Ringo Vision garnish to that.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you have to start sell garnishes, you know. I tell it, man.
And it's just a quick thing, end up.
Okay. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Looking like restaurant things again, Ringo. I'm not like.
I just flaming
Oh,
chicken.
yoy, I like the presentation. Come on, for a real chef, you know, man. What is that?
Wooi!
You know what I'm saying?
Peppers!
You know when you put the Scotch bonnet in?
Wooi!
Wooi, yeah!
Wooi!
A while ago, I sneeze. I'm going to sneeze straight after. Oh, look. I can't talk. I can't talk. I just Look at that. Can you see? Can you finger coughing? Look at that, man. That looks amazing, Ringo. Gonna be honest, bro.
Respect, man, G.
Happy Halloween, bro. You right there, mate?
Yeah.
You right there, mate? You right there, Junior?
Yeah. Yeah, pepper.
Scotch bunny. Excuse me, mate.
Yeah.
Yo.
Thank you very much for watching, people. It was a quick one. Big up yourself, Emda.
That looks amazing. Can I try it?
Yeah, man.
All right. So let me go in there because I see the chicken there. More take piece of chicken and with some of the garnish first of all.
Yeah.
Yeah, pepper there. Oh wait, be careful.
Yeah.
Because that just made it good.
We just had problems with that. Man.
That's 10-10.
See the skin's holding together.
Yeah. Ah. Fried pumpkin. It's my first time. Ringo Vision.
Yeah.
That's a completely different taste, isn't it?
Different taste.
Fresh.
Yeah.
So I get the freshness of the pumpkin. I like that.
Try the garnish. Nice one. Yeah. Spicy.
I can't even talk Ringo Vision to it. It's really nice, bro. Really nice. You going back in?
Feeling like that, Emma.
Yeah.
Bella pepper, mad thing. You lot are doing what you're doing.
Told you.
Keep it up, mad.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people. Thank you very much for watching. Big up yourself.
Respect for me every time, you know.
Cook and Vibes.
One link.
We're there.
One connection.
One link. 24-hour kitchen. We're there. One link.
Love, guys.
Love, guys.
Make sure you subscribe, like you said, and just do all the stuff, leave certain comments, and you know what I'm saying. So it's a to and fro. So you don't know, say, I Cook and Vibes, Ringo Vision. So after this, you can just go and check out Cook and Vibe. As soon as you checked out Cook and Vibe, next week, Ringo Vision again. One link. One link. Beer coffee the guy on because the peppers nearly killed us.
Yeah. Junior get a little cough in that background.
Bless him.
Bless him. Bless him. Big up, people.
Woiii Oiii.
Woiii Oiii.